to the best way to go about adding a wrist strap to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's an expensive device and you don't want to really drop it. So the tools needed are just your wrist strap and a toothpick, and you can see what I do here. You can see, just thread the tip of the wrist strap through the first hole, and I use the toothpick to just push and force the wrist strap through the hole till it comes out the other side. Okay, so it's that simple. You can see it's fully out now. I'll do it again quickly just to show you how quick and easy it can be. So again, I pinch the end of it and I start it through the hole, kind of hold it in place, and then I get my toothpick and just kind of force it further into the hole until it comes out the other side. It was a lot quicker the first time, but we will eventually get there. You just have to try, and it's a bit fiddly, but you just have to try and, make sure that the toothpick kind of grabs the bit it needs to. Okay, so that's it, it's through. Now once it's through, you just take the end of it and you just thread it through itself and pull it through, and that's it. You have yourself a working wrist strap for your nice new device. This works for your phone or just about any electronic device.